Welcome everyone. We'll be focusing on database and business intelligence, which is used for decision making. Hope the tutorial series which we'll be going forward with will make the terms very simpler and more interactive for you to correlate with the decision making trends as of now. So getting started with the terms, the initial term, what is a data? Data is a very simplest form of business intelligence. Now, here's an example. Consider you as an object. So, the things which are related to you, it can be name, age, height, and weight. These are the characteristics or the data which is related to you. Now, what is a database? The data can be in a random format. You can have data in various formats. It can be in image, PDF, or a file format. We cannot really analyze what actually the things are getting represented if it is placed in a very random way. So for this, we have to make it in a very organized or systematic collection. This collection can be in a tabular format, which is a 2D format with rows and columns. So columns are represented as fields and rows are represented as records. More structured way of data, more easy for management. So more structured data will make the management very easy, and it will be very helpful to understand what exactly data is representing, what exactly we have to decide looking at just the facts and the figures, the numbers. After understanding data and database, so if we just revise once again, data, that's the simplest form. It can be anything. It can be an object, the properties of an object. It can be an image format, picture format, file format, PDF format. It can be anything. Collection of data is a database. Managing that database will give you a database management system which will be in a tabular format, say a 2D format. The very common example, you can say the very common one is an Excel format. As everyone is familiar with the Excel format, the 2D format with rows and columns present in it. Now moving on to business intelligence. First we have to understand what exactly the term is related to and where it can be used as of now. Let's begin with a storyline rather than giving a brief, boring description. I would like to say not once upon a time, but yes, I would like to say every day in our timeline. Okay, every day we get up, we have various decisions to do. Which way we have to go, which things we have to do. So every day when you get up, it is you decide what to wear, what to eat, depending on your time and your moods. Every time we have to decide, yes, whether this will be a good choice or whether that will be a good choice. It is based on a very minute conditions where we have to decide. Like say an example, if we are in a company, we have to decide that do we have to invest in this product or do we have to invest in that product. So there are hundreds of decisions or many of the decisions which you have to make every now and then for a better future, for a better choice. Okay? So that is where you actually have to grid into your data to a very deep level, very detailed level to make your routine decisions. Now, any decision you make or any information which you pass on to others, that should have some evidence with you. There comes an expert advice. So every decision is based on some evidence. That evidence can be stored on a drive, it can be stored on your machine, or it can be stored on cloud, it can be stored anywhere, just for the reference purpose. So decision is based on the evidence. Here is when BI comes into picture. You have the raw data. Data can be any format as we have already discussed. This raw data can be looked into by various combinations, like there are various perspectives: one-way perspection, two-way perspection, three-way perspective, and then based on this raw data we have to decide what exactly we have to see. Like the raw data will be converted into an informative data. So BI helps to convert your raw data into the informative data. So this is an example of just a normal enterprise or organization working. There's a business client. The business client will provide a raw data to our BI system to examine and analyze the terms. This data is a very random data. It's a raw data. It has been provided to the BI system. Thus, the system will have its own intelligence and the information which we pass it on. Based on that, it will have some extraction and combining of data which will be very quick and automatic. This is where the BI has its own capabilities to be proved across for the great management level. Data has to be quick and automatic. These are the two very mandatory things which are necessary for our day-to-day living and which will be useful for every decisions which we make. Thus, the system will provide the informative data which will be helpful for decision-making strategies. So it is just a three-way process. The client will give a request to the system will analyze things, and thus the system will provide the informative data. So raw data is transformed into informative data via the BI system. Thus, we have got choices which will be very beneficial for doing business in a proper intellectual way. Thus, the data which has come out from the system can be in a tabular format, tabular reporting format, or can be in a graphical visualization formats where you can understand the trends, the analytics for every department in an organization. If I want to have just a brief summary of what BI does. So you're meeting a client in an organization, you meet a client, okay? Client will let you know what are the requirements. Based on that, you will be identifying whether it is a sales data, product data, accounts data, finance data, suppliers data, customer information, and so on. Then they will be converting of that data into one multi-dimensional format which will be collaborating various raw data into one proper format which will be used for analyzing purpose. Thus, this format can be presented in form of spreadsheets, reports, the tabular format, or the dashboards, which are the graphical formats. So it is a three-step formatting which will finally end up with presenting your intelligence, which is converting your raw data to the informative data in various formats. Thus, these will be helpful for understanding the trend analysis, the management level analysis, which every organization needs to in order to have a proper future growth. Okay, hope this video was easy for you to at least grasp what BI exactly is or what BI does. In one line, if I just want to summarize it in one line, I will say raw data collected from heterogeneous environment, okay, provided to users in some informative manner via BI. So raw data to informative data via BI in two formats. One will be the tabular format with rows and columns. Second will be the graphical formats with various dashboards. Thank you. Hope this video proves helpful for you. Thank you very much.